मैं काम में लगा हुआ था। I was into some work. I was into some work. तुमने मुझे आज कैसे कॉल किया? How did you call me up today? How did you call me up today? तुम्हें उसका जरा भी ख्याल नहीं आया? You didn't even think about him. You didn't even think about him. मैं तो मजाक कर रहा था। I was just kidding. I was just kidding. मुझे बहुत बातें करनी हैं। I have a lot to talk about. I have a lot to talk about. इसके जिम्मेदार तुम हो। You are responsible for this. You are responsible for this. मैं तुमसे ज़रूर मिलूँगा। I will surely meet you. I will surely meet you. आप कब पैदा हुए? When were you born? When were you born? क्या आप उससे मेरी बात करा देंगे? Could you please make me talk to him? Could you please make me talk to him? अब मुझे चलना चाहिए। I must leave now. I must leave now. वह हमें चुप चुप कर देख रही है। She is sneaking out at us. She is sneaking out at us. जल्दबाजी में तुम भूल जाते हो। You always forget in hasty. You always forget in hasty. आप अपने उम्र से कम दिखते हो। You look younger than your age. You look younger than your age. कुछ भी जो तुम्हें अच्छा लगे। Anything you feel like. Anything you feel like. कहीं ना कहीं कुछ तो गलत है। Something is wrong somewhere. Something is wrong somewhere. मैं जॉब ढूंढ रहा हूँ। I am searching a job. I am searching a job. Or you can say I am looking for a job. I am looking for a job. ये केवल एक सोच है। This is just a mindset. This is just a mindset. तुमने सारा खेल बिगाड़ दिया। You spoiled the whole game. You spoiled the whole game. आपने मेरे मन की बात कह दी। You spoke out my mind. You spoke out my mind. मुझे अपने आप पर भरोसा है। I believe in myself. I believe in myself. जब आप आए वो निकल चुका था। When you came, he had left. When you came, he had left. मैं जानता हूँ आप मुझसे नाराज हो। I know you are not happy with me. I know you are not happy with me. बेड पर खाना मत गिराओ। Don't spill the food on the bed. Don't spill the food on the bed. वह समय का पूरा पाबंद है। He is quite punctual. He is quite punctual. समय बहुत जल्दी बीत जाता है। Time runs out very quickly. Time runs out very quickly. आप मुझे उसके खिलाफ मत भड़काइए. Don't provoke me against him. Don't provoke me against him. तुम्हें इतना समय क्यों लग रहा है? Why are you taking this much time? Why are you taking this much time? आज तुम्हारा दिन है, कल मेरा होगा. It's your day today. It will be mine tomorrow. It's your day today. It will be mine tomorrow. ये खत्म करने में तुम कितना समय लोगे? How much time will you take to finish it? How much time will you take to finish it? उसके साथ क्या क्या हुआ? What all happened with him? What all happened with him? आप क्या करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो? What are you trying to do? What are you trying to do? जो कुछ मैंने चाहा, मुझे वो मिला. Whatever I wanted, I got that. Whatever I wanted, I got that. जो कुछ भी तुमने कहा गलत है. Whatever you said is wrong. Whatever you said is wrong. ऐसा फिर कभी मत करना. Don't ever do it again. Don't ever do it again. ऐसा मेरे साथ ही क्यों होता है? Why does it happen only with me? Why does it happen only with me? मैंने किसी का क्या बिगाड़ा है? What wrong have I done to anyone? What wrong have I done to anyone? जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है. All happen for good. All happen for good. अब आपकी बारी है. It's your turn now. It's your turn now. किसी का दिल मत दुखाओ. Don't hurt anyone. Don't hurt anyone.